Massive visitors at Mukak Langso Falls calls for development of facilities. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jerbon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. Mukak Langso waterfall is also one of the most attractive sites for tourists, and a massive numbers of visitors at the site calls for more developments of facilities which would further benefit the locals and visitors equally. This waterfall is located inside the 25 Nilip MSC constituency falling under Koilamati area. The hill districts of Karbi Anglong are known for its natural beauty and have a massive potential for the tourism industry if the government or local Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council take it more seriously. Among the noted waterfalls, Semi Langso and Mukak Langso, located inside Koilamati, have been enchanting visitors and their popularity are soaring. And Mukak Langso waterfall is packed with huge numbers of local visitors since the past 3 to 4 days due to the intensive heat and temperature.
Koilamati long, labangso aha wara long, Koilamati aha wara long ke langsun, ke lang mi dupik, apai dupik. Kita mi non mat anong nam kasi thang long ke Simi Langso ilong lo, lapen dak Mukak Langso alangsun ilong. Asi Simi Langso alangsun na bangke council pen labangso kipamat ponjia pan sai ke ding pontang do. Bonta Mukak Langso ke Simi Langso pen a PC labangso nong nam kasi thang dun mate amen dak kir pon na. Asi non her lang Mukak Langso amen ki kasi long pon. Asi Mukak Langso pu amen kasi long lok kelehan no. As bangso Mukak Langso lang ke klu langso na lang nang ke klu ding ada ke Mukak ason thak si mate English pen pulo rainbow la pason si ada ado wet lang dam tame thek ponong si aben la bangso langsun kang tui tame put in ko rapho an bak kang tui do la bangso lang nang hang bob ke inglong pi do la puni li pinasi do inglong pi ko ang long puchong pen si la bangso alang na ingbob.
At the moment, the site does not have good road and is covered with tall grasses and bushes, creating some sense of insecurity among the visitors. Meanwhile, locals have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to provide route by extending the BBDC road till the waterfall site at the earliest, in the greater interest and well-being of the local people.
Kai kita tuwar chulang ding lo lapen labangso Mukak Langsun pu atuwar sa milahen lo na sila so tuwar kuskwana ki mima sa minon nang litum kado ko wetek rong lo na sila bangso tuwar laki solunian tu apu solunian pen bukyan na so BBDC route na bangso ali ki ik la so ali pen kilometer ko la pusonan bagdola na si labang sol ni tum Koilamati dhaniran tiarong labang so arong pen si ali lang pulo na si labang so apokali lake ala betriana monduli along pen kilometer potro ano amoy do lang lapen ala bang so adim apokali pen ala so langsun adim an labang so pokali na ali ki ik nang semar tiasonte
Samson Intis report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. Dikrut sarpo aboha nang litum anam jum hekpen chume sen akhanaan long iji ladak nang litum Karbi kitun ke danga tengpensi long poniji. Kelongjia sonamong lake hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserangahan hipi ki phi dumke karlu phak ok ki up phak ok slice fry phak ok ki phi phak ok ki mung lang ok ki up lang ok fry vo ok ki mung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponengji komania hemjong si birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga jai megalongta nangji pulote long iji aprang pen ke pathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-239-862 along Humri lote longponichi. Lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniklo. Dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dong Mukak Karbi Anglong. The BJP party of Hawarkihat had on Sunday conducted its second executive meeting. The meeting was aimed at strengthening the party before the MSC elections. Here is a report.
The meeting held at Hawarkihat Sports Complex began at 11 a.m. in the morning. Chaired by Hawarkihat BJP President Ramayan Chauhan, the meeting was attended by East Karbi Anglong District President Don Singh Teron, KAEC Medical EM Khon Singh Rongpi, VDC Chairman Ganesh Inghi and 100 other party workers. During the meeting, the party members discussed about the past activities and contribution of the BJP to the people. They discussed about their weaknesses and the areas they need to further concentrate. EM Khon Singh Rongpi said that the party workers need not fear while doing the right thing for the society. The party high command is always ready to help the grassroots level members, and people's confidence on the party will help them in carrying out their works. Harsing Rongpi from Hawarkihat along with Sarpangring Tigathar from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live.
At a time when the world is battling second wave of COVID-19, Karbi Gospel Artist Society has come forward and distributed dry ration including rice, vegetables to 16 households of Dwarbaguri, Kidingkro village whose livelihood is hit hard by lockdown. The inhabitants of this village are mostly dependent on farming and many of the bread earners are daily wagers. The distribution was led by KGAS President Markson Rongpar, workers Jonah Singh Phangchu, Cleared Teron P and others. The volunteers have carried out the drive from their own collection.
Edet ahormu tami nil tu nang tumlong kewan long ta isi nil tu maphi di mate behind nil tu malong nang cherab du na tumdu di asi pini labang so hormu ong edet sitame konane along ripen amate state pen ba konane arong pensi ba konane council pensi labang so kerap nang pukai kali nilitum Karbi Anglong Gospel Artist Society di KGAS pu nilitum 2019 ningkan pen nilitum seng lo itum chuning tame difu rong supi along keton kelang police CRPF teman tame nilitum KGAS tumbensi langgeso himba plang pisi nitum difu taunang tame ron pon lo pena sondaksi non nang tumlon sondak thak kawe pinpin halong so la COVID-19 awur penapot kisung ki photum phanu tum non pini sunat thak si sanglin pho kapene alu lini la pason sini tum ron pon lo asi pini nang tum long kewang long sitame nil tum aphi nang cheradu na tum do komane bang pharosi komane bang phokke mane bang pharo pho mane bang surisi di apuson nang chipang room si nang tum phan nang nulo asawe tame.
Locals have expressed their gratitude to the Karbi Gospel Artist Society for their generosity. Ananterang from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.